Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today all I'm going to be doing is doing a trade up challenge. So I'm starting off with the stick. Let me get it. Wait, no. Oh crap. Wrong thing. Okay. Stick. And I'm trying to get up to either Dragon RPG or better. Actually, no, I'll do regular RPG or better. Yeah. Thank you. Shout out to Tubby or Snail for giving us the idea. Hey, wait, can somebody please help me trade this? Somebody please help me trade this up.
What is wrong with you?
Can you please help me trade this up?
I can't hear you. First of all, all I'm hearing
Hey,
is
wait, can somebody please help me?
no one can help you.
Bro, shut up.
Listen,
Hey, can you help me out with the trade up
go
challenge?
inside. No, it's actually a
Can you help me out
spider.
with the trade up challenge?
Can I help him? Trade up challenge?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got he's venomous and he only likes me, so he might bite and kill you. What are you trying to get up to?
I'm trying to get to RPG or better.
Hey, why the hell do you have wings?
Dude, green.
To sewers. Everybody go to sewers.
Here.
Bro, thanks.
So.
Alright, okay.
Greeny, weeny, meeny, meeny.
Everybody go to sewers.
You wanna go to movie?
Everybody go
Thank
to
you.
sewers. Because they changed the map to let's go get suitcases. Let's go get suitcases.
Are you joking? What the? Bro. Wait a minute. Sorry, guys. Bro! I just got a stick to over $3,000 thing. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna continue. Alright. So. Hey, does anybody have the offers? I'm trying to do a trade up challenge on YouTube. Right now I have this thing.
Guys, I think my arm's broken.
Someone missed this, by the way.
I think my arm's broken.
Yeah, wait, can somebody please help me do a trade up challenge? I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
Wait. Oh, I thought there was.
Wait, can somebody please help me do a trade
Yeah,
up
I'm in
challenge?
What?
Yo, I got so many crates, guys. Should I?
What?
Yo,
No, I'm gonna.
wait,
Too many
frog,
backpacks attached
The other
to a stick.
frog. Can you please help me with the trade up challenge?
What?
Frog.
And you can
guy.
put it on your back.
Can you please help me out with the
Yo,
trade
who
up
wants to do
challenge?
a crossbow with me?
Yo, wait, can somebody please help me out with the trade up
How?
challenge?
You do?
Do you have a crossbow?
You do?
Oh, wait, okay, what?
I have a
Alright, I'm
crossbow.
trying to
I
get
have
up
a
to
crossbow.
an
Yo, wait,
RPG
I have
better.
a
If
crossbow.
you
I have a
can help me out,
crossbow.
that'd be good.
I have a crossbow.
I'm sure. Alright, wait, are you gonna help me?
But it might you just
Raise your hand if you're
activate
gonna
that.
help me.
It might you just activate that. Here.
Okay.
Here.
Whoa.
It might you just
Okay.
activate that.
So this to that.
There you go.
What? What?
Or like, what about it? You want to join a private server? Alright, and I'll take this. Well, looks like the video's over. Holy moly!
Join me.
Holy mackerel. Alright, so it looks like I just got this. Y'all, you all are gonna start seeing this in my stash. Hooray! Really quick, let me put this in my stash. Alright, guys. Bro, thank you. Shout out to that guy. I have no clue who he was. Shout out to that flippin'.